In this evening's edition of The Health Report, we look at tackling malnutrition. Here once again is TVJ Shamela Pullen.
Malnutrition results from a poor diet or a lack of food and constant infections. It happens when the intake of nutrients or energy is too high, too low, or poorly balanced.
A 2-year-old child would look like an old person. They're skinny, they don't have any muscle on them. You hold the skin, like it's almost elastic. You hold the hair just fall out in your hand. That's one type. That's known as marasmus. Then you have now the kwashiorkor, where this child looks big and fat, but when you look at the skin, it starts stripping.
Malnutrition can lead to serious health issues such as eye problems, diabetes, and heart disease. While malnutrition is increasing globally, public health specialist Professor Winston Davidson says fewer cases are being seen in Jamaica than it used to be decades ago.
In 1971, I used to give a free clinic in Trenchtown, when Trenchtown was a whole side of shacks, when you had one standpipe for 200 families, right? Every evening, I had to take 2 or 3 children up to the hospital, up to university. And I used to go there 5 evenings a week because of protein energy malnutrition. It was as bad as that. And then the problem with it is that even though you treat them and and they stay for a long time in hospital, when you take them back, because of the poverty, it starts again.
Professor Davidson says the best way to continue to prevent malnutrition is to eat a healthy, balanced diet.
If a child is failing to thrive, or you see they're getting recurrent infection, just take them to a health center. The doctor will find out, and if the child weight for age, right, is low, then they can do the necessary measures to improve that child's nutritional status.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.